Hi guys, today I'm making homemade soap. So these are the things that I'm using. We have lye and the dark chemical, and the others are just powders and the color. So there are different salts, each has a role. Like the salty one is responsible for the foam in the soap, and then we have the main crystals that will now dissolve. And then we're gonna start by pouring the big crystals in a bucket the way I'm doing, and then we're gonna add the dark liquid. I don't know what's the name, but it's supposed to react with the big crystals to form soapy mixture. So you have to do this process outside, because there are fumes that emerge from the reaction between the big crystals and the dark green solution. So as you can see, I'm outside, so I'll add the dark solution inside and start mixing. And as you mix, you can touch the base of the bucket and you will feel like it's kinda warm because of the reaction between the crystals and the dark solution. So I'll add. You can make this liquid soap for multi-purpose use at home. You can wash utensils with it. So long as you have a big household, it's good to have liquid soap around. You can wash the toilets with it. You can wash utensils, mop the house, wash clothes with it. So someone else came to see what I was doing. So I started mixing. You can use a wooden spoon to mix. Even if you don't know how to make the soap, you can just add everything at once and just stir. The soap will be made. You don't need to. I told you people, you can do anything. The Lord created us in a way that we learn and do everything, because He's the one who strengthens us. He's the one who enables us. So you can cook, you can make soap, you can everything. Yeah, as long as you believe in yourself, you can do everything. I want to encourage you to learn new things, learn new skills to better your life. So I'm going to add the white lye. That's kind of gives the soap the soapy feel, like the thickness. So you're gonna mix them all together. You'll notice it starts making thick soapy solution inside the bucket. Remember, do this outside the house. Do not do it inside the house because of the fumes emitted from the mixture, and it's very bad. The fumes are choky. They used to say a pungent, pungent smell, something like that. For those who are in chemistry classes, yes, the reaction that emits heat with some gas. So I'm going to add all the small sachet salts inside. One of the salts is responsible for the foam, and the other one is responsible to just bring everything together into a soapy feel. So I'm gonna add, and if you're new here, kindly like, share and subscribe. And if you've been here since the beginning, thank you for your subscription, for your view. Thank you for supporting this journey. I am on my road to 1,000 subscribers, so your subscription is well appreciated. So stick around for more videos. For everything I'll be doing, I'll be sharing with you experiences, just everything. If you know, you know. Enjoy the rest of the video so that you can see the end product of what I am making. So I used a blue color, so my soap will be blue. Watch till the end. There I'm adding some water so that I mix it well. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.